video, I will be doing a first impression on the Whitney Simmons x Tarte collaboration. I will also be doing a giveaway on this makeup kit, so stay tuned till the end of this video for that. Now, everything on my face is from this collaboration, so if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, go ahead and keep on watching. So this is how the packaging looks. It's so cute. This is just a box. Obviously it has Whitney's face on it, and then it tells you what it includes. So the package comes with a moisturizing lipstick, and it's such a pleasant sound, and it is in a nude color, and you get a baby mascara. This is so cute. This is the cutest thing you ever did see on the internet today. The packaging is just stunning. And when you open it up, it has... Okay, when you open it up, it has 6 shades, a blush, and a highlight. I think this will be great for traveling too, because you have everything you would need. You can do such a basic, everyday, natural makeup look, or you can deepen it out a little bit more for nighttime. So I think this palette is perfect. So I did my face makeup minus my blush and my highlight, because I will be trying the blush and highlight from this palette. But I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes real quick. I'm just going to show you guys a quick, easy, everyday look. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the shade Cut right here. And I'm going to put this on my crease as well as on my lid. I'm not sure why, but whenever I saw people putting this shade on, it kind of looked a little bit darker on them. But on me, it's definitely very light. Not sure why. And now I'm going to do the same thing I just did to put it on my crease. And I'm going to go in with the shade Tone Up. Let's go with the shade Tone Up real quick. So I'm going to go and take it on my crease a little bit, but this time just a little bit lower.
Yeah, so up on my crease.
Okay, the shadows. I have never tried Tarte shadows before. I've tried their foundation, their concealer, Shape Tape. I mean, it's everyone's favorite. I have tried their blushes, but I have never tried the formula of their eyeshadows. And I just gotta tell you guys that this blends so smooth. So if you are a beginner, this is the palette for you. If you're a beginner, this is the palette for you, because this is blending so effortless. I've been using the same eyeshadow brush for everything that I have done. This is the Sephora Pro Crease brush number 10. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Snatched and basically put it exactly where I just put the other 2 shades. I'm not doing anything complicated. I'm just doing an easy everyday type of makeup look. Now I'm going to go ahead and with my finger grab the shade Trainer. When it comes to shimmer and foil eyeshadows, I usually use my finger to pat it on my lid. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm just going to grab my finger and go in with the shade Trainer. And just pack it on my lid real quick.
And I'm packing it all over my lid.
Now I'm going to go in with the shade Reps. Oh, like your reps. I'm going to go in with the shade Reps. And I'm going to put it on my outer V. I'm going to go in very lightly, just because when it comes to darker shades, that's when you know how good the quality of the eyeshadows are. Because sometimes they can be a little bit patchy. So I'm just going to go a little bit. And just kind of just place it on my outer V. And then I'm going to go in back with the same crease brush that I've been using. And just blending it out.
Okay, this is blending like a dream. I am so impressed.
Now I'm going to go in with the shade Cardio, which is kind of a pinky shade. And I'm going to put it right on top of Trainer. So right over the color that I just put on my lid. So now I'm going to go with the same shade that we used previously, Tone Up. And I'm just going to put it all over my crease again, just to make sure that everything is blending nice. And with the same Tone Up shade, I'm just going to put it underneath my waterline real quick. I've used mostly all of Tarte products, but I have never used their eyeshadows. And oh my god, they blend like a dream. The shadows are so creamy. They blend so well. Go ahead and use the Tarte Man Eater Baby Mascara. I've never used this one specifically, so I'm excited to try it. This is how the wand looks like. Okay guys, so this is how it looks with mascara, no mascara, mascara, no mascara. This is insane. I just want you guys to look at my eyelashes really quick because I have never felt this way in my entire life. Look at this mascara, y'all. Not at my pores. We're not looking at my pores. We're looking at the mascara real quick. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. This is the best mascara I have ever used, and I have used so many. This is, oh my god. This is, oh, so far, like, this is amazing. Ooh, okay, I forgot that there's a blush and a highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the, let me see if I have a clean blush brush somewhere. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead with the blush, which is called Sweat. It's like such a pretty pink shade, and I'm just gonna put it on the apples of my cheek. And now I'm gonna go in with the highlight, which is called Flex. Okay. I'm gonna go in with her moisturizing lipstick. I love that sound. And this is the color of it. I'm just gonna go right in. Okay, so this is very sheer. Smells minty. Okay, so this lipstick, it's really sheer, but it is buildable, so that's a good thing. So if you want, you know, barely any color, just put, you know, just do one swipe, and if you want to build it up a little bit, you can. It is a nude color, but it does have like a strong pink undertone to it. Nevertheless, it's gorgeous. I just want to quickly give you guys my thought on this palette. I absolutely love it. I think it's stunning. Not just the packaging. I mean, the packaging is a bonus. The size, it's perfect. It's perfect, like very travel friendly. But the actual shadows inside are spectacular. They have to be one of the best eyeshadows that I have ever tried. They blend like a dream. So like I said previously, if you are a beginner, go ahead and, you know, snatch this palette up. Or stay with me real quick because I will be doing a giveaway shortly. The mascara, best mascara hands down. And the lipstick is also very good for an everyday. The packaging is also to die for. I mean, look at this. Now it's giveaway time. So when I went on Whitney's reveal video, I came across a lot of comments on people who were so happy for her, but they mentioned how they couldn't afford to buy the kit for themselves. Now this reminded me of a few years ago when this was the year that all influencers were coming out with different collaborations. And I remember watching YouTube videos on like first impressions, on tutorials on them, and I couldn't afford to buy them. I didn't have the money at the time to, you know, go ahead and spend it on different collaborations. And I remember just feeling so sad. So when I saw those comments, I decided to purchase an extra palette and give it away for you guys. Now, all you have to do to enter are 3 simple steps. The first one is be subscribed to my channel. The second one is like this video. And the third one is leave me a comment down below on a time that you did an act of kindness. Now, it doesn't have to be anything big. It can be the time when you were at the cafeteria in your school and you sat with someone who was sitting alone. It can be the time you call someone beautiful and you brighten up their whole day. It can be anything that you have done to make someone else feel better about themselves or to brighten up someone else's day. So if you didn't get a chance to get your hands on these, go ahead and enter because my channel is still very small. So the chances of you winning this are highly likely. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this makeup look that I came up with. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I will be posting videos 2 times a week. I will see you guys next.